Savedroid has built a very strong ecosystem of renowned partners, many of them leaders in their respective field of operations. With these partners, Savedroid can not only offer the best services to its users but can also benefit from the reach, trust, and reliance of its strong partners. We choose our partners based on capability of innovation, implementation speed, reputation, and user focus. Let's start with Deutsche Börse. As operator of the trading platform etc. and the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, Deutsche Börse calculates the DAX share index and is listed with their shares on the DAX. When the Deutsche Börse opened its Fintech hub in Frankfurt in 2016, Savedroid was one of the first tenants. Together with 4 other startups, Savedroid uses the infrastructure of the incubator. This includes access to the network of Deutsche Börse AG. Savedroid is thereby part of the Deutsche Börse venture network with over 400 members from all over Europe. The Deutsche Börse brings together young growth companies and investors on this platform. Since its founding in 2015, approximately $1.4 billion of investment were collected via the venture network. The Smart Saving app by Savedroid is implemented with the support of the Wirecard Bank. Wirecard manages the technical and banking law requirements for the Savedroid savings account, into which the users of the app, with the help of the so-called smooths, transfer money. Wirecard, based near Munich, is a publicly traded international technology and financial services company with approximately 4,000 employees, over €1 billion turnover and a market capitalization of more than €10 billion. Wirecard is one of the top 5 stocks on the German technology stock index TechDAX. Another Savedroid partner in the top 5 of the TechDAX is the telecommunications company Deutsche, located near Frankfurt. Deutsche is one of the largest high flyers on the German stock market and its share price has increased by a factor of 80 since 2009. The company is one of the most aggressively priced discount cell phone providers in Germany and is active with the brand Earphone. For Savedroid, Deutsche comes into play when recommending more affordable cell phone services to users of the app. Our second partner for the optimization of cell phone contracts is Freenet, a company with nearly 5,000 employees and more than €3 billion turnover. When it comes to the optimization of electricity contracts, Savedroid cooperates with Check24. Check24 is Germany's largest internet comparison portal with a turnover of more than €500 million.
Savedroid democratizes cryptocurrencies. We provide easy access for average mass market users to cryptocurrencies without any technological adoption barriers. Hence, Savedroid enables crypto inclusion for everyone. See, the situation today is that of course cryptocurrencies are awesome, they are decentralized, they are safe, so I like the concept a lot. However, there is a huge problem in user adoption, and the huge problem is that there is a highly complex adoption barrier, at least if it comes to average mass market users. And this problem is across the entire user journey. If you look at the very starting point, when you want to buy crypto, you need to select a crypto exchange, you need to register there, then you need to deal with the significant bid-ask spread, and this is really a mess. And then secondly, you need to decide which wallet to use, and you need to set up the wallet. And here again, shall it be a hardware wallet, shall it be a software wallet, a desktop wallet, a mobile wallet, whatsoever. Then you have incompatibilities with different types of tokens and so on and so on. Again, a huge mess. And then finally, it comes about storing and handling all the private keys. And this again is a highly complex and very technical process. So overall, not mass market compatible. Now, very honestly, and I've tried it for myself, the user experience along and across the entire user journey completely sucks. It's a pain in the ass. I've experienced it for myself. I see that people who are interested in joining the community are experiencing this issue, and I perceive that many of these people are actually discouraged by these pain points, and they will finally not join the community because of those. So, and on top of these pain points, you have a very cumbersome process also regarding the technological complexity behind adopting cryptocurrencies, which makes it close to impossible for an average mass market user to truly understand what's going on there. So the pain is real, and it's a huge adoption barrier which we are currently facing. So guys, please don't get me wrong. I think cryptocurrencies are awesome. I think there are very cool companies providing cool use cases out there, but still, however, we have the issue that what we are currently seeing in terms of user experience is definitely not compatible for the mass market users. So, to cut a long story short, as a consequence, cryptocurrencies as we see them today are still a very niche market. So here comes our solution. We are convinced that a groundbreaking simplification is required to provide average mass market users with easy access to cryptocurrencies and thereby grow cryptocurrencies to the next big thing in our economy. This is exactly Savedroid's vision. We eliminate adoption barriers and finally make cryptocurrencies accessible for everyone. Savedroid will conveniently auto-convert our user savings from fiat to Bitcoin and Ethereum. We will then securely store them in the wallet, and we will